welcome back to your world of fails. He was aiming for the hole-in-one and accidentally invented golfing with wildlife fatalities. This dog snatched that sandwich like it was personal. One thief and one very stolen lunch. That moment when you go from a nature lover to sprinting for your life because you made some weird eye contact with a goose. He wanted fast and furious, but the tire chose fast and finished. Nothing like a mid-drift reality check. In case you have never seen a car do a front flip before, here's a front row seat for you. Here's an example of how things could go wild in just a second on the highway. Who do you think is at fault in this case? This is why children should always avoid playing on the road. But thankfully, the boy wasn't hurt and he managed to walk away with just a body ache. In this video, you'll learn never to leave yogurt in your car under the sun. Just another drunk driver making his way into the road.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Damn!
This is an example of why you should always be patient and wait for your turn. This episode of A Fast and the Flammable is brought to you by terrible life choices and expired common sense. This drunk driver gets exactly what he deserves. When your steering wheel is straight, but your life isn't. Just curious, but how is he gonna be able to explain this incident to the insurance company? That is one way to lose your driver's license forever and a few lawsuits. Two champions with egos faster than their brakes. And they both lose.
Sakara pellaha. Dropping.
Nothing says I value my bones like turning a death staircase into your personal BMX stunt course. What could possibly go wrong?
Woo.
Some see stairs. He saw a challenge. His spine saw a lawsuit. This was supposed to be a rescue mission, but the rescuer has become the victim. This certainly would have ended very badly, but luckily, Granny had faith on her side. In case you were wondering why a woman's insurance is much more cheaper compared to that of a man's. This video should be able to demonstrate why it's so. When you are fighting a tree and forget it's been standing there longer than your entire bloodline. This is why you should hire professionals for a construction work. Nothing says engineering test like sending a fully loaded dump truck across a bridge that's clearly built by wishful thinking and duct tape. This rooster crossed the road and lived to tell the tale. Now he lives to flex on every squirrel that didn't make it. Thanks for watching these brave souls battle gravity, common sense, and basic coordination.
Hit the like and subscribe button for more funny videos.